Hi friends, this is Bilal Heather and this is the 7th part of the video series. In this video I'll be going to create some materials and we'll be applying some materials to our objects. Okay, here you can see we have some objects in our scene, and they have no materials at all. And the materials which are assigned to them are automatically created materials which are the default materials. Okay, so in this video we'll be going to make materials and we'll be applying to our objects. So let's go ahead and apply a brick material to our box which is here. But first let me go ahead and scale my plane. Okay, so now let's go ahead and apply brick material to this cube right here. Okay, so the first thing we need to do in here that we will go ahead and type images.google.com and we will find a brick material, brick texture, and we'll find some brick material for our cube, and let's choose this one. And go ahead, right click and save image as, then go ahead and save it at your desktop. Call it brick and save. Once you will save that brick texture on your desktop, we'll drag it over to our Unity and put it inside our materials folder. So now we have a brick texture in our materials folder. Okay, now let's go ahead and create a material and let's call it brick. Okay, once you once you create that material in here, then we will be going to add texture to it. Okay, now let's go ahead and choose our brick, double click it. Now we have a brick material created for us. Okay, now the only thing we need to do in here, just click that brick material and drag it over to our box. Okay, in this way we have successfully applied our brick material to our object. Okay, so whenever we'll be creating some walls or maybe or anything else, and we wanted to apply some material to that object, we will be creating a material in here and then we will be applying that material to our object like that. Okay, so in a quick manner what we can do here is that we can directly drag our texture onto our object and it will create a material for us. Okay, so we really don't need to go ahead and click create and add material and then apply that image to that material, but we can just go ahead and drag that texture to an object and it will create a material for us automatically. Okay, once we have that material applied to that box, we can change its styling. Okay, we can increase styling towards x-axis and towards y-axis, whatever the number we like to do in here. So by doing this, we have created a material for our box, and it's pretty much very dense material in here. So we can always change our material. We can change it to 2, so it will look like that. Okay, you can go ahead and play around with these things. You can import several materials. Maybe you can find a texture, a concrete texture for your floor, and you can apply that texture to your floor. Okay, you can always find lots of materials. You can just go ahead and type any type of material you want to use in your games. You can find it in Google Images. You can search it and you can find it. You download it, bring that texture into your into Unity, and apply it to your objects. So this is all the tutorial. This was all the tutorial um, about textures and materials. And forgive me for my bad English. Thank you for watching my tutorial.